Hi, it's Steffi from Steffi's Beads and Baubles, and I have another video I'm going to do now. I can't remember if I showed you some of this stuff. Some of it I know I didn't, but if I did show you some of it, I apologize. But I figured I'd just take a chance because maybe somebody didn't see the old video. I just wanted to get everything in. So we're going to start real quick. I don't want this to draw out. This is a little faux turquoise. It's not real turquoise and silver, but I thought it was very pretty and that somebody might like it. Oh, excuse the band-aid. I had a run-in with my tape dispenser for my packing tape. I have a desktop one that looks like a Scotch tape dispenser, and somehow I ran my finger over it by accident when I was moving my hand over the desk, and it ripped my finger open. And I just thought I'd tell you because it drives me crazy when people have band-aids on and they're doing videos and they don't tell you what happened. Anyway, so that's just a bracelet, and I'm not sure if it'll get sold or used as parts. I've had several of these over the years. I think they're a lot of fun. They're giant ball chain, made to be a necklace with a giant connector, and I want to do some kind of pendant on this. I just think it's great. Now this one, I don't know if I'll pick it up because it just twists and turns like a snake. This is J. Crew, and let me see, I'll try to pick it up so you can see the details of it. And the last J. Crew I sold was a similar type of necklace. I showed it in a video. It was a teal color, but it didn't have the flower look around the edge. It was more straight. And that one sold for 75 bucks. So I'll hold it up for you. So we'll see what this one sells for, but it does have a J. Crew tag on it. I don't know if you can read it. I don't know if it's going to show up. Hold on. Probably not. It's just not cooperating. But it's J. Crew, so we'll see. It's a nice, heavy quality, nice, pretty piece. This was kind of different. 2 layers. I don't know if you're supposed. I think you're probably supposed to wear it like this. I don't know if this is real leather or faux leather, but it wasn't very expensive, and I just thought it was kind of fun. And it probably will be taken apart for all these really cool things. Now, when I say that, let me be very clear. I research every piece before I take it apart. And if I have any questions, I ask my very knowledgeable friends. Or I'll get on a website and ask. This one I bought for the beads. It is just a plastic necklace, no identifying information. I paid $6, but I think it was 20% off or something, because I can't see me paying $6. Either 20 to 50%. But these beads have a little glitter in them, and they're just stunning. I just thought these were the prettiest looking beads, and I had to have them. I just thought, oh, I don't care if they're plastic. Those are stunning. So I don't really care if things are plastic sometimes. I just want, let me get this light down. I'm getting so much shadow, and I don't understand what is going on lately. Never had shadows. Let me go to the side. Maybe that'll be better. But I just thought these were beautiful. And this is kind of a quirky piece. It's got a very heavy, this is one of the ones I'm not sure if I showed you, really heavy metal 8-ball. And it's got weird cubes. It says rewind. It looks like it had a set of headphones, but it's missing one of the headphones on here. You can see it's got the holder, but one of the headphones is missing on there. But it's just a cool piece, and I didn't pay much for it. Again, it says $9, but I know I didn't pay that. I probably paid half of that. This is a Tupperware, I believe, but if not, it's I don't know if it's Tupperware. No, it's not Tupperware, but just a cute little pig cookie cutter that was just laying there, and another little lamb cookie cutter. This was one I bought for the beautiful tassel. It's just gorgeous. Now I'm going to investigate it because it's such a beautiful, now it's upside down, got latched upside down, but anyway, let's see if I can fix it so you can see how pretty it is. This is a really pretty necklace. Okay, and there's how it's very fancy. And then it's got the triple chain. This one says $7.99. I guarantee you I did not pay that. It was probably a 50% off because I rarely pay over $4 for anything. But for the tassel on this one, let's see, there's another, is that the tag? Yeah, $8. So I did not pay $8, I guarantee you. But I just thought this was absolutely stunning. And if the necklace itself not worth much, I've got all these gorgeous chains. I mean, this slides, so it's, look at all the chains I can use. I mean, that's worth it alone. And it's a double chain clasp, so I can use it on a different necklace. Or sell it. Here is a really interesting piece. It's Rolo Chain, which you know I love. $5. I know I didn't pay that, but the Rolo Chain is gorgeous. It's got all these rhinestones on it. I don't know if you can see the rhinestones. Really pretty. Again, not sure if it's sellable or for parts, but you know I love the Rolo Chain. This one says $9. I guarantee you I did not pay that. It's two-sided. No, it's not. This is the front. It's got a pink bow. It's all rhinestone. I guarantee you I did not pay $9 for it. Probably about $4 or $5. It's probably 40 to 50% off, but it was just so well made and so pretty. It doesn't have any identifying information on it. It just says $8.99 for the price. But it's just beautiful. Beautiful little bear. And that one, obviously, I have to be able to list it for at least 12 to 15 bucks. Or it's not worth selling. It's cute, though. I took a chance on that one. This one looks like either an egg roll or a Pac-Man. I think it's supposed to be maybe an egg roll. I don't know. But it's cute. And this one I know I didn't pay hardly anything for. Probably 50 cents. Ball chain, that was probably 25 or something. I know what I pay. This one here says, when my heart is overwhelmed, lead me to the rock that is higher than I. Psalm 61:2. And it's a brass piece with a gold Rolo chain. And this chain is not magnetic. So we're going to test it out. Being a Rolo chain, if it's, I will probably take this off and use it in another piece. I just don't think that's very well balanced. And if the chain's gold, which is highly unlikely, it's probably gold plated, we'll put it in our pile to test at the very least. Here's some cowboy stuff, which I bought because I have a friend that when I make her jewelry, I make it out of all the horses and boots and cowboy stuff I find, because that's what she loves. And she loves my homemade stuff. And there's a hat and a boot and a horse. This one's another one I thought I might have shown you. I don't know, but it looks like it looks familiar, like I showed it to you. But you know, I took a chance on just showing you again. This one says $1. I have a feeling I showed you that one. This is a little kitty. I think it's that popular one that the kids like. I forgot what it's called. I might save that for my oldest, one of my older granddaughters, because she loves this character and she might want that little pin. Then this is stunning. It's an enamel pendant. It's not a locket, but it's got flowers on one side and a butterfly on the other, and it's quite stunning. This is just a simple bracelet blank with a heart. It looks like there are two people holding a star, maybe. And then it says hope on the other one. Here's another bracelet. This says Little Sis. It's got a nice clasp. It's a real pretty piece. Again, this is another one that I might have shown in another video. And if I did, I apologize. Everything got to be such a mess. It was either not show any of it or just take a chance. Now, this is Juicy Couture. Another piece that it looks brand spanking new. So I'm hoping this piece will sell for a decent amount. These are mainly parts pieces. I paid 50 cents for both of them. I left the tag on to show you. And it's just elastic with pretty beads. None of them are, I don't think, they could be glass, but I think they're plastic. But I like the charms. For 50 cents, you can't go wrong. I like these little shell pieces. Here's another, this is another 50 center. I paid 50 cents for this one. And I liked the tassel with the, it has kind of a, almost an eye look. I don't think it's supposed to be an eye, because that would be this way. Just kind of a drop with a rhinestone, and it's pointed on both sides. It has a very nice long gold chain. I think that's weird. It doesn't look long enough to clasp on something, but the clasp, it's just open with a clasp on top. Some of these pieces of jewelry are so weird. Here's another one. I don't think I paid more than 50 cents for it. This says ACA. And it's a wire wrapped kind of loop in a rusty looking metal, but I think it's just supposed to look rustic. And then a peace sign made out of beads. And then a really neat looking chain. And the tag says A-E-O. Here's a little brooch. Probably not worth much. It's even got paint in the back behind the pendant. But it was cute, and again, probably $1 is all I paid for that. There's another 25-cent piece. It's a bunch of crosses linked together to make a necklace. Or I suppose if you did it tight enough, you could do a multi-strand bracelet, because it does have a clasp. But anyway, that's kind of pretty with the little delicate crosses, and they can be taken apart if need be, as they do have a jump ring in between them. This one is another horse. I'll put aside for my friend Cheryl. She used to own horses years ago, and I remember when we were in high school, I'd go to the stable with her all the time, and this one was $1. And then I got lucky. I never find horses, and I found several horses. Now this bracelet is stunning. I may just add to this, but this is Rolo Chain, so I may take the horse off. I don't think it's magnetic. Oh, it is. It is magnetic. I don't know. Sometimes you can't tell. But it's a beautiful piece. This heart has a horse in it as well. And it's got a chain that is not magnetic, but the pendant is. So I don't ever find horses, so I'm kind of excited about all the horses, because that gives me stuff to make for her for quite a while. 50 cents for this one here. And I think that heart was, the heart was also 50 cents. And this beautiful glass, I didn't mean to set that down so hard. Beautiful glass pendant is also 50 cents. This is a dolphin, and this says 925, which means it's silver. So we will see if it's worth anything to sell it, or if we should just part it out. Now these are kind of cool little interesting things. I love to find stuff like this. I'm trying to hurry because we're at 12 minutes. These are dog tags or something. It says, oh, they're animal tags. Marion County, Florida, animal license. There's 3 animal license from Florida. But look how fancy those are. And people love to use these in crafting and jewelry and stuff. So I thought those were neat. This one here I paid 25 cents for, and it's a little turtle. And that's really cute. And oh, that's the one I just showed you. I have this little wooden cross. Again, this might be one I showed you. Like I said, I was unsure if I'd showed you any of those. This is a little bag I got. It's really cute. I love the metallic gold. It's just really pretty and in nice shape. Oh, it has a name on it. Let's see what it says. It says Lancome. Very pretty. I also got a few little bags. And this is filthy. I got to wash it. But a little bread pan or loaf pan. I thought that was kind of fun. It's a full-size loaf pan, and I paid 50 cents for it. I got this watch, and David has to test it, but if it works, I got 15 or 20 for the last one I had like this. This is a cookie cutter I bought just because it was like it was $2. $2. And I just wanted to see what you thought it was, because the guys that were working that night at the antique store and I could not figure it out. So if you have an idea, I'd love to hear it in the comments. And here's some old doorknobs. Paid $5 for a set of 6, and I do believe they were on sale, but I couldn't tell you for sure. Each one's different. I thought they were cool for projects. And these are like a reddish, purpley, almost carnival glass look. This is, I think that's like that one, but clear. Typical little one. Now these little tiny ones I'll use for jewelry, and then just a basic ceramic knob. And then I got these owls. This one you can put a candle in, and he's pretty heavy, lined on the bottom. And this is a family of owls. You have the big one. Trying to get it so it doesn't look upside down. The medium one, and the little bitty one. And and I paid like $1 or $2 for all 3. And then these are kind of cool. David picked these out. I only want the little one for a fancy piece of jewelry. They're fence insulators. And we'll figure out something fun to do with the rest of them, though, because they're really kind of cool. This is the kind of stuff we love to pick out. We love that kind of stuff. And I think that is it. Oh, another little bag. That is it. And I kept it just above 15 minutes, so I'm going to call it a day here. But thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing these pieces. There were some really, really interesting pieces, if you ask me. I mean, I'm really excited about the J. Crew. I'm going to try to get that listed. Like I said, my last J. Crew rhinestone was a teal, and it sold for $75. Now, I'm not sure this one's worth that much, but we'll see. We'll see. It's very heavy. The rhinestones are crystal clear and gorgeous, so we'll see. But I'm really thrilled with everything I got. I think it was a fun, I mean, it was just different hauls. This is like 3 or 4 different hauls that I never showed you. But thank you so much. I'll be back soon, and I hope you're having a great day. Bye.